Are you a fitness business owner looking to generate unlimited free leads for your business? Introducing the Fitness Lead Machine System, a revolutionary blueprint that will transform your social media profiles and help you grow your fitness business on autopilot. Let's dive in. Every time you interact on social media, you're generating organic traffic to your profile page. But if your profile isn't optimized to capture and convert that traffic, you're missing out on free leads. The Fitness Lead Machine System turns your profile into a powerful lead trap. Created by Troy Thomas, this system is the easiest and most beginner-friendly way to grow your fitness business online. It works on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. The Fitness Lead Machine System follows 3 simple steps. First, optimize your profile using the 9-point optimization system. Next, connect a sales funnel to your profile to siphon off free fitness leads. Finally, as you interact on social media, you'll start seeing visitors land on your profile page. Once the system is set up, you can drive on-demand traffic from your smartphone just by interacting on social media. It's a fun and engaging way to grow your fitness business without any hassle. This system is perfect for beginners and professionals. But don't just take our word for it. Try the entire Fitness Lead Machine System risk-free for 14 days with a money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, we'll refund your $7 and let you keep the blueprint. Ready to take your fitness business to new heights and generate unlimited free leads? Click below to get instant access to the Fitness Lead Machine System. No catch, no gimmicks, and no monthly program. It's a risk-free investment in your success. Click now and start your journey to unlimited free leads.